Looking to give your truck an instant style boost that grabs attention? The RBP 6x6 hitch cover delivers rugged, eye-catching appeal right where it counts, your rear end. Crafted from CNC-machined aluminum, this hitch cover isn't just about looks. It's built tough to stand up to the elements and daily wear. Plus, the bold RBP Red Star logo adds a signature touch that sets your ride apart from the rest. I've seen plenty of hitch covers that promise durability but fall short after a few months on the road. This RBP cover, however, feels solid and precisely engineered. The large 6x6 size means it doesn't just blend in, it makes a statement. Whether you're towing, parking, or just cruising, it's a subtle upgrade that shows you care about quality and style. It's the kind of detail that turns heads without screaming for attention, perfect for anyone who wants to add personality to their truck without overdoing it. If you're ready to enhance your truck's look with a reliable, stylish hitch cover, the RBP 6x6 aluminum model is worth a look. It's designed to last and built to impress, making it a smart choice for drivers who want a tough, customized rear end. Try it when you're ready to add that rugged edge and stand out on the road.